Hi.
Hey, look, thanks for coming along. Wow, I think it's time for a little break and have something to eat at the same time. What do you think?
Sounds good to me. How about we do a song called Ham and Eggs?
All right. We're going to learn the song first?
Yes.
Ham.
And eggs.
Ham.
And eggs.
I like mine fried nice and brown.
I like mine turned upside down.
Ham.
And eggs.
Ham.
And eggs.
Flip.
Flop.
Flip.
Flop.
Ham.
And eggs.
Mm-hmm.
Well, now we're going to add a little something to it. Every time Scott sings, he's going to stand up.
Mm-hmm.
And when he stops singing, he's going to sit down. Same thing. When I sing, I'm going to stand. Well, when I stop singing, I'm going to sit. Now, if you're by yourself, you can pick whether you want to move along with Scott or with me. If you're with a friend or a group of people, maybe it could be fun to split off. So half of you go with Scott, half of you go with me.
And in true Beth and Scott style, we're going to start a little slow so you get used to the singing along and moving, and then we'll speed things up. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right. Ham.
And eggs.
Ham.
And eggs.
I like mine fried nice and brown.
I like mine turned upside down.
Ham.
And eggs.
Ham.
And eggs.
Flip.
Flop.
Flip.
Flop.
Ham.
And eggs.
Oh, that was great.
Nice.
Yes.
All right. You think we can do it faster?
Let's give it a try.
Can you do it faster?
All right, here we
All right.
go. Ham.
And eggs.
Ham.
And eggs.
I like mine fried nice and brown.
I like mine turned upside down.
Ham.
And eggs.
Ham.
And eggs.
Flip.
Flop.
Flip.
Flop.
Ham.
And eggs.
Oh my gosh! I almost fell out of the pan.
Can you go a little bit faster?
All right, we'll give it a try.
Okay, shake it out. All right. Are you ready?
Take a deep breath. Get ready on the edge of your chair. That helps. Ham.
And eggs.
Ham.
And eggs.
I like my fried nice and brown.
I like mine turned upside down.
Ham.
And eggs.
Ham.
And eggs.
Flip.
Flop.
Flip.
Flop.
Ham.
And eggs.
Good job!
I'm hungry.
Me too.
Bye.
Bye.